Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Lisette. For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing Boxycharm Base Box for the month of April 2020. If you guys don't know what Boxycharm is a beauty subscription box that have various memberships with different prices, and the one that I'm going to be unboxing today is $25 a month, and it includes 5 full-size products with a value of $125. Okay, so this is the box right here. Then when you open it, this is what it looks like in the inside. It's red and it has the little card that explains to you the theme of this month and then the items that you receive. This is the card, see it here, with all the items right here. And the theme for this month is festival vibes, kind of like my look today, very festival and spring. Okay, and then I got a little card here also with I believe this is a coupon for the makeup eraser, and then the coupon is Boxy20. Okay, if you guys want to go ahead and use it, feel free to use that. Okay, so first impressions here, I got all the products here. I know that something is wrong with my box, okay, because every month you get the choice of choosing one product for each of their memberships. So I remember that I did choose an eyeshadow palette over the other items that were there to choose, and I don't see it here, which means that they sent me the wrong choice item. I took a peek out of this just because of that. That's what I do all the time. I take a peek to see if the first thing that I see here is a choice that I made, so that I can go ahead and send them an email so they see if they respond and what they tell me. Okay, so then I did do that, and they told me that they didn't register my choice. So if I had proof, and unfortunately this is the only time that I didn't take a screenshot of my choice. And yeah, I guess they were having a lot of issues this past month with people's choices and with everything going on, the coronavirus, and they were trying to transfer, I think, their employees to work from home. So I guess all of that, it was like a mess, but it happens. We're all human, so that's okay. And I didn't email them back after that. I told them, okay, that's fine, you know, it happens. But hopefully next month when I make my choice this month, I will take a screenshot so that I have proof that I did make my choice. Okay, anyways, enough rant about that. Let me go ahead and start taking out the products and explaining to you guys and reading what it is and what it does. Okay, so the first thing I see here, this was one of the choices that people had to make, and is the Elemis Superfood Cica Calm Cleansing Foam. It's a calming micellar cleanser. Okay, let me see if it can focus. Okay, so this is, I believe it's yeah, it's a cleansing foam and kind of like the micellar cleansing water. So you just use this when you're in the shower. I do have already a cleanser, so but it's always good to have this as a backup. Like when you finish with the cleanser, you already have one. You always need cleansers to cleanse your face correctly from all the oil throughout the day. So let me see what it says here. Okay, so the Elemis Superfood Cica Calm Cleansing Foam. This unique foaming cleanser is packed with nourishing superfood to help calm and hydrate skin while lifting makeup, dirt, and grit. Okay, so it takes off your makeup as well. Yeah, it even says it here, the micellar water. The micellar water is like a toner and a cleanser at the same time. And then the soothing formula helps to comfort skin caused by dehydration and leave skin with a fresh looking complexion. And the retail value of this is $32. Okay, so you know, I didn't get the eyeshadow palette. I have many eyeshadow palettes, so that's okay. And but yeah, this one's good, and this brand is amazing. I've tried other things from them and they're pretty good. Okay, next thing I got here is the makeup eraser. It says Sunset, the original makeup eraser. Erase all makeup with just water. Okay, let me show you how it looks like. It's a little, I don't know how to say it, like a cleansing, yeah, it's a cleansing wipe, but it's like una toallita. I don't know how to say that in English, but yeah, this is what it looks like. It's one. It's a little towel. Yeah, little towel. Oh, it's really cute. It's like rainbow colors, and it's really, really big. I've tried this product before, and I want to tell you what I think. it's smaller than this, obviously, and I've used it before. I have it because I have purchased it from Amazon, and I think they're $20. I'm gonna see the card now, but I kind of didn't like it. You know, everybody has their own opinions of things that they use and they like and they dislike. For me personally, I didn't like it because it kind of irritated my skin, you know, rubbing the makeup off with just water. So that's why I prefer like the cleansing wipes, or just like one of these cleansing foams that removes all your makeups, or like a cleansing balm. And yeah, so for me, it's not the greatest, but maybe I could use it and put like, you know, the micellar, yeah, that's how you call it. Yeah, micellar water here, and then I'll rub it instead of just rubbing it with water because it's too rough. And yeah, that's, you know, it says that it's good for people with contacts, and I do wear contacts too, so you don't get any product in your eyes, other products that you use to clean your, you know, that might irritate you. And just, this is very organic. However, it's not for me. Okay, I'll probably pass it along to my mom or someone that might need it. Let me see what it says. It's the original makeup eraser, and it is in Sunset. You see all the colors right here. It's really cute. It says the #1 sustainable makeup remover in the world. Erases all your makeup with just water. Erases waterproof mascara, eyeliner, foundation, and more. Made with premium patented polyester, feature millions of hair-like fibers that work as a suction for dirt, makeup, and oil. And it's $22. Okay, next product. Ooh, okay, I really like this one. This is the Porefessional Pore Primer. It's by the brand Benefit. It's a smoothing face primer to minimize the look of pores. Okay, I have tried Benefit primers before, and they work amazing. I haven't tried this one yet, and let me see. This is what it looks like. It's really cute. Okay, it doesn't smell like anything. Let me see. Oh, it's like a gel. Oh, no. Yeah, kind of is like a gel, but it's tinted. I don't know if you can see it. It kind of has like the color of your skin, but like when you rub it, it disappears. It dissolves into your skin. It doesn't smell like anything. It's very like oily. So let me see, because I know there were 2 different ones that they were putting out. People were receiving this month, but there was one for hydrating. There was one for dry skin and one for oily skin. Let me see this one, what it says. The Benefit Cosmetic, the Porefessional Face Primer, quickly minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines with smoother than smooth skin. Apply the silky, lightweight balm alone, under or over makeup. And then the translucent formula contains a vitamin E derivative known to protect skin from free radicals. So I'm not sure if this is the hydrating one or the normal one. I think this is the normal one for oily skin, and I am dry skin. So the retail value of this primer is $32. Okay, that's nice. Then the next thing I got here, ooh, this is nice. It's a cute pack of brushes, eye brushes, I believe. It's from the brand Lavish, and then you see like a bunch of different colors. So that's pretty cute. Okay, like I always say, I like brushes, so I can complain about that. I'm good with that. So this is a brow groomer. That's what it's called. Okay, let me just put everything here and I'll show you one by one. Okay, so you have the little spoolie and then the angle brush for the brows, to fill in your brows. Okay, so it's really cute. This is like a green. They're really like neon colors. Okay, the next brush is a eye shading brush. Okay, this one in blue, as you can see here. Okay, the next one here, I believe this is a pencil brush. It kind of looks like if it's used already because of the color that's here, so that's kind of like, I don't know. I like the brushes to be like maybe white or like beige, and the bristles, so that you can see that you're applying the product, and then you clean it and then you're like, oh wow, it's clean. But like this, you feel like you already dipped your brush into the eyeshadow. But it's cute. It's orange. This is the pencil one. Then this is the taper blending brush. I think you could even use this as an a highlighter to highlight your face. So that's cute. And then the last one that I got here, this is a fine liner. This is for the eyeliners. Okay, so that's cute. So 5 brushes, 5 eye brushes. And then it comes in the little sleeve thingy. So yeah, that's cute. And then the next thing I see here is the highlighter. It's from the brand Iconic London Illuminator. I believe this is a liquid highlight. I've never tried liquid highlighter, so I'm excited to try this and see what I think. It's in the shade Original. Oh wait, give me 1 second. Let me go back to the brushes and tell you guys how much it is. It is the 5-piece neon eye brush collection. It's from the brand Lavish and it's $29.99. Okay, and the Iconic London Illuminator is $41. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna try this. I'm like excited to see what I feel. It has like one of those little drops. So I'm gonna apply it on my hand. Okay, it's very liquidy. Okay, let me dissolve this. Wow, that is blinding. I don't know if you can see it here, but like look at this. You can see the reflection on. So I'm gonna apply with my finger here. I have already highlighter, but oh my god, wow, that is blinding. And then it like automatically like dries, so you have to like be careful and put it in your face really fast because it dries. Wow. And it's like I feel like it's like a cream, but at the same time it dissolves. So that's cool. I never tried, you know, a liquid highlighter. So I've always tried like the powder. So that's pretty cool to have. So that's it. Yeah, that's it. That's my box. Let me go ahead and sum up the value of all of this. Okay, let me remove this. Okay, let me go ahead and get my calculator and then sum up everything to see the value that the box that I got. Okay, so the primer is $32. Then you have the Elemis cleansing foam. It's like yeah, $32. Then the Iconic London Illuminator is $41. Then the Lavish 5-piece brush collection is $29.99. Then you have the original makeup eraser, which is $22. For whole value of the box is $156.99. So it's a pretty good box in regards to the price, the overall price of all the products. However, this box for this month, it was not my favorite. I'm not gonna lie. I wasn't excited as I was for the premium box and the boxes from other months. But it is what it is. Sometimes you get products that you like, sometimes you don't get products that you like, and it's okay, because at the end of the day you only pay $25 and you get a box that's worth almost $157. So that's pretty cool. And what I like the most from this box was the primer, the highlighter, and you know, the brushes are okay, the makeup eraser not so much, and the cleansing foam, it's okay. Elemis is a nice brand, so I'm gonna try it and yeah, let you guys what I think. Let you know what let you guys know what I think. And that's it for today's video. Let me know what you guys think of this box and what did you receive in your box, if you're happy, if you were sad, if this was a total disaster. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Thank you very much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed and you like what you see, please subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you get notified from all my future uploads. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Please stay safe out there. Bye.